50 years of marital bliss of Susan and Dennis.
35.
35, give or take. You can't make it all 50.
One with the 35. One with the 35.
And 50 years ago, there was a wonderful movie called Breakfast at Tiffany's. And from that movie, there was a beautiful love song. And Dan and I would like to dedicate this love song with slightly different lyrics to Dennis and Susan. Where is he?
Danny's gonna sing?
Before I start singing, this is a multimedia presentation. So.
And make sure there's no little snowmen around that.
Yeah,
That's why she handed it
let's get all the heckling out of the way now.
No, we're gonna be quiet.
We love that you're doing this.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
We are not worthy.
Oh boy.
Moon River, wider than a mile, you're crossing in army style each day. 3 makers, 3 children later. Wherever you're going, we're not going to stay.
St. Pat kids off to see the world. There's a lot of army bases to see. You're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend. It's my St. Pat's friend, River and me.
Moon River, wider than a mile. You tailgate in style. They're heartbreakers, fumble makers. If Army ever wins, you'll be smiling.
St. Pat kids settled in New York. Years have gone by so fast. You're after the same rainbows and grandchildren at the end. My St. Pat friends, Moon River.
Should you want to refer to the words? I don't know if this is worthy of the family hook. So this is the 50th anniversary version of Moon River.
Thank you very much.
I think we need to have a toast to Danny and Susan. That was the